Preparation of wound healing hydrogels based on silicon, iron, zinc, and boron glycerolates, toxicological profile, hemostatic and antimicrobial effects. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Treating wounds and their rapid healing is considered an important topic in ancient and modern research. The use of hydrogels is a promising strategy for achieving hemostasis and wound healing. Sol gel synthesis is one of the methods for obtaining hydrogels. An innovative direction in sol gel synthesis is the use of biogenic element polyolates glycerolates as biocompatible precursors with a wide range of pharmacological activity. It was shown that hydrogels based on silicon, iron, zinc, and boron glycerolates are non-toxic and exhibit pronounced hemostatic activity, as well as antimicrobial activity, which is more pronounced for silicon, iron, zinc, boron, and silicon iron boron glycerolate hydrogels. The results obtained indicate that these glycerolate hydrogels are potential hemostatic and antibiotic-independent antimicrobial agents for topical wound healing applications in medical and veterinary practice. Introduction. Wounds, especially severe or chronic ones, can lead to serious infections, organ failure, or even death if not treated properly. Stopping bleeding quickly and preventing infection are key to saving lives and speeding up healing. Modern hemostatic agents, like hydrogels, are designed to do just that. Hydrogels are soft, jelly-like materials that can stop bleeding, stick well to wounds, and support healing. However, many current options either lack strength or cause side effects. In this study, scientists created a new type of hydrogel using safe, body-friendly materials like silicon, iron, zinc, and boron. These new gels showed strong bleeding control and healing effects, especially when combined with chitosan. While they didn't fight infections on their own, adding zinc and boron could solve that problem. This new gel is easy to apply, effective, and shows promise as a wound care treatment for both bleeding and infection. Conclusion. Researchers developed new jelly-like wound treatments called nanocomposite hydrogels using safe materials like silicon, iron, zinc, and boron. These gels have a special structure that helps them stop bleeding and support healing. Iron helps clot blood, zinc and boron help fight infections, and silicon promotes tissue repair. Boron also breaks down into boric acid in the gel, boosting its antibacterial power. The zinc-boron combination further strengthens this effect. The gels are gentle on the body, non-toxic, work just as well as a known bleeding control medicine capramine, and show especially strong antibacterial action when boron and zinc are both included. They're easy to make using environmentally friendly processes and could be used in medicine and animal care to treat wounds more effectively. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.